Brit.
Now, if you try to come in with your wife and get a balikbayan,
Balikbayan box.
is it balikbayan visa? Is it balikbayan? Whatever, you know what I mean. The 12 months free visa, you ain't going to get it because they're still not issuing visas. You've got to have the visa before you come into the country. Now, maybe, and I don't know if you can do that because it doesn't really explain it, but if you were to say you had your Filipino wife, or even if you didn't, you were married and you wanted to get into the Philippines, if you go to the embassy, they might be able to help you. So they might be able to help you get a visa before you actually get to the Philippines. You have to have the visa when you get into the airport. You can't apply for one, okay? So I just thought I'd give you that. Right, we'll leave it until we get a little bit further forward, eh, babe? You're right. Oh, I'm sick of waiting for this. How long is it going to take?
Because we need to make it the tender, the meat.
We need
30
to make it
minutes.
tender.
So you adjust, guys. You just check if it's tender. Yeah, it's already tender.
Oh,
So
look
we're
at
gonna
that.
put the tomato.
Potato, tomato.
You can put as well here banana and then it's called mais, corn.
Could put corn in, yeah, corn on the cob. You can shove that in it.
Yes.
I know because she's just told me. I didn't know. I don't know what she's doing. Oh, the other thing is, guys, look, not quite. Well, I did get an odd one recently, but it's died down a bit. Now, when you see me and Mel interacting,
It's no.
it's normal. This is how we interact. In fact, when we're off camera, we're even worse.
Worse, yeah.
Right? Now,
So don't comment. Oh, why Chris, you like it, the way you speak to Mel is not good. Like
yeah,
blah, 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 blah.
it's me messing about. This is how we are. And don't get triggered or offended by it. If
So maybe
you
the one who comment them is just recently our subscriber.
well, he's not anymore because I blocked him. Look, what happens is when it gets to me editing, if I think, oh, that probably isn't good, I get Mel to come and have a look, don't I?
Yeah.
And she tells me if she's happy with it.
It's alright.
Now, yeah, I know it is, babe, but these certain people don't know. They've not seen all our videos. They don't know how we interact. So if it gets past the editing stage, it's all right with Mel. So I hope I'm going to explain that again, but I felt I need to explain it because I don't want to block anybody, but my patience these days is nil. So what would we normally have with this then? Rice?
Yeah, of course.
Of course.
That's the Filipino normally eat. It's rice.
I think that's what your problem is the rice. You're eating too much rice. No, seriously.
Not eating a lot of rice. It's only the fried rice. That's what it is.
You've been having 2 of them a day.
2 and just only one. Excuse me.
You had 2 the
Just
other
only
day.
one.
You had 2. You had 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon.
But not every day.
Next door, not every day. No, next door's starting to do this fried rice, egg, and some pork.
It's called. There's a lots of what's it called? The name of the.
There's lots of names for it. Yeah.
It's tapsilog, tosilog.
Topsilog, tosilog.
Chris did you try that before?
Chris
Did you
likes
try
the
that?
log.
Tosilog.
Yeah, I love it. I love it. But I like fried rice.
Yeah.
But it doesn't like me
It's
weight
very
wise.
nice.
That's
And
the problem.
It's cheap. It's for cost 55 pesos. You
55,
have,
yeah.
tocino and then.
And you get it in a little polystyrene
Yeah.
box, and it's really nice. They've started doing it next door because they make more money than doing the barbecue stuff. So
It's cheap.
I'm hoping, you see, she's making this, so I'm going to have some of that. But that's all I'll have today.
Excuse me.
And a little
I
bit
said
of
to you
rice.
that I will give you.
Oh, hey, you know, I've just sat down with her, and I says, she says, you're going to have some of this, what I'm cooking? I says, of course. She says, 50-50 then. She wants me, she says, it cost me 210 pesos, I want 105.
Yes, of course.
It's just outrageous.
50-50, right?
It's outrageous. It's
Why,
happened.
but why is that?
How is it?
I spend my money budget for it and then no, and then yours not, right?
That's not true at all.
Yes.
How is it you're getting more money, but yeah, now it's all of a sudden it's 50-50 now.
Other day I buy banana and then who eat the banana? You.
When did you buy the banana?
Other day you eat the
I
banana.
bought the banana. What, when we did the $5 thing?
No.
Yeah, but you were eating banana. You were feeding it to the kids. Then you nicked one of my oranges. I only had 3. What do I eat? Do I eat the rice? Do I eat this stuff?
3. The orange that we buy is just only 3. It's 3.
Yeah, that's right.
You
Yeah.
eat the 3.
I did not. I ate 2, and you said the mouse took the other one.
Yeah, the mouse.
Yeah, whatever.
Spirit.
Yeah, it is. I'm sweating. So,
That's why I know.
when's the next step?
I'm very excited to build in Siruma bungalow there.
Oh yeah,
If you build a house there, I want to have a nice kitchen, so I'm comfortable to cook, not like here
yeah. She wants
crowded.
you know.
What's it called? Is it island?
It's an island.
Yeah, I like
you know, you
the-
see these
and then-
American kitchens.
And then nice cabinet for the
Yeah.
utensil,
Yeah,
So-
she wants an island with another sink in the middle, so she's got loads of room.
It's normal to have like that in the Western, right?
More so in the US, I think.
Okay.
That said, I mean, there's lots of houses have them
Because
in the
Filipino
UK.
is just only normally just only sink, but the island.
What you
no,
gotta
I like
underst-
that- I like the island. It's only island.
The island bit
like
with
that.
the sink in it and stuff, and
Yeah, I
probably
like
shelves
that.
underneath,
Yeah,
depending
I
on
like
how
that.
you design it. She never shuts up about this new bungalow.
Yes, because
In a big kitchen.
I'm very excited to have a nice kitchen.
You see, what you got to remember, Mel, is even these days, the UK is about at least 10 years behind the US in gadgets and everything they get, I think. So we're putting the cabbage in now. Don't you cut it up any more than that? Why?
Don't need to cut it.
Why don't you need to cut it? It just breaks up when it cooks.
Yeah.
See, I'd have chopped that up because it would cook
You know
easier.
that?
Aye?
You cook it.
I'm just saying what I'd do.
Mind yours.
Well, surely it's going to cook quicker.
Shut up.
What do you think, guys? Surely it'd cook quicker
No,
if she made it
expand
smaller.
because if I put on the bowl, it's gonna be nice. So shut up.
All right.
I'm the one who cook, right?
Why do you keep telling me to shut up?
Because that's
It's not
your
nice, is it?
business, right? I will show you later. Because it's not good if you're gonna chop the cabbage.
All right.
It should be like that.
Okay.
So later you
So is that it now then? I'm going to wait till that cooks.
just let's wait after a few minutes when it's the cabbage standard.
Okay.
See you later. Look the cabbage.
The cabbage.
Look what that look.
All right. It's a
If
good
you're
job.
gonna chop, it's
Yeah.
not good, right? You see,
Very good.
it's already done. So when I put the cabbage, I put as well the salt, the spinach. 'Cause I
Just a
forgot.
little pinch of salt.
Yeah, it depends. If you're not like satisfied for the taste, you can add more.
Right, okay.
So it's done now. Are you gonna cook?
Oh yeah. Am I going to cook? No, I'm not going to cook it if it's
Do you
done.
want rice?
Yes, I'll have a little bit of rice.
Okay.
Yeah. I might as well, hadn't I? See what it's. It looks really nice. Look at that. Very nice. Gonna have to cut the fat off though. Even if I wasn't not wanting to get fat, I wouldn't eat that. It's a heart attack waiting to happen. This is what I'm saying, guys. You come to the Philippines, there's so many temptations. It's very hard not to put weight on. Although I've had quite a few messages over the years saying people actually loses weight when they come here and they gain it again when they go home. I'll not go in there, it's a bit of a mess. So here we go. Look at Mel, look at all the rice Mel's got, look. And she says she doesn't eat much rice. And then compare that to my rice.
Just
Look at that. Look at that pork. How nice
It's
that
yummy.
is.
It's
I bet
yummy
it's
that-
succulent as well.
It's yummy the juice.
So this is mine. Now you see what Mel's doing? See what Mel's doing? She just goes and gets a bit of there and then puts it to the rice. I can't do that. I've got to put all my rice into the bowl and it has to soak up with the soup. Otherwise I can't eat it. Because I cannot eat dry rice. Unless it's fried rice.
It's alright.
If it's fried rice, oh, let's get back a bit.
The meat is very tender.
We'll have a look. I'll just
And
leave it
it's,
at that.
it's better, guys,
for a
don't
minute.
overcook the cabbage.
No.
It's crunchy.
Let's have a look. Oh, the potato's lovely and the taste is gorgeous. Really? No, chocolate.
It's very nice.
Yeah. Well, that's a pretty simple recipe as well.
Yeah, this is not a lot of recipe.
There's
It's
not
just-
there's not
it's
a
not
lot
a
of
lot.
recipe.
Yeah. I mean ingredient. Yeah.
I'm terrible. You see, this is how we are, and people get offended at it. And I
The
don't know why.
cabbage is crunchy. It's not overcooked. You see? And then why you did not chop milk?
I know I was wrong. Well, I just thought it was a bit strange. That's all.
You know what? I know what I'm doing. Okay.
Not always, babe. Not always.
When it comes to cook.
Yeah. So that's it then, guys. I hope you've enjoyed that little cooking video.
Yeah.
So until the next one.
Wait.
Till the next one, wait. Well, yeah, they're going to have to wait till the next one. Don't forget, guys, if you want to see our videos first before they go onto YouTube, either become a patron or become a member, a YouTube member. To do that, if you just click the join button next to the subscribe button, and it's only a couple of dollars a month. It's, you know, it's not a massive amount.
So you try this, guys. It's very
Yeah.
nice, right?
So, look what she was just going to do then.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our videos. Bye, guys.
Bye,
Thank
till
you
the
for
next
watching.
one.
I hope you enjoy it.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.